Okay, so we've arrived at the garage where we're getting the Stage 2 upgrade done. And here is the S&S kit. It's the 465 torque kit. And here it is. Ah, this is the cam. So this is the baby here. S&S 465G. Okay. This should be the cam plate. This is the gear pinion. This is the installation gear drive camshafts for the Milwaukee engines 2017 and up. We've got a 2020 model. Yeah. So that's the queue. There's a queue of bikes. Looks like they've got a lot going on. And we're going to get the chain drive S&S 465G gear drive S&S 465G installed. Take 2 days for the install, so collecting on Saturday. We're going to use the FP3 to tune, and if it doesn't feel right or feel good, we're going to do dyno tune.